Hello there, and welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. I bet this lockdown has decided to bring the best out of all of us in our own small ways. Today, I'll take you through a recipe that my brother helped in the kitchen, which is the potato omelette. Others call it Spanish omelette as well. And so, this is how it will look like in the end. I hope you can learn how to make this recipe. So let's go straight into making this. The ingredients that you need for this potato omelette will be potatoes, obviously, your corn flour, your powdered pepper, salt, some spices, eggs, of course, some vegetables. First of all, you go ahead to fry your potatoes under medium heat in your frying pan, just like this. It will just be golden brown, so that you can have it all crispy as well. You will mix it up with your eggs and your vegetables, your spices, your corn flour. You can use as many quantities as you want, but this will be optional. Well, once your potato omelette is ready, you can enjoy it for breakfast with your tea, coffee, or any beverage that you prefer. And in fact, you can have it as a snack as well, or you can actually eat it at any time of the day. There is no straitjacket rule to when to have this as a meal. And so you mix up all your ingredients while you are heating your oil on the fire in your pan. And so to have a little consistency, you stir it carefully and gently. Once your oil is hot, you can just pour out your mixture into the pan, and you can spread the mixture evenly in your frying pan and or swell so that it doesn't stick in your pan. Just spread it out evenly and cover your pan so that it cooks and fries at the same time. Once the other part is golden brown, you can toss it up. Look at that golden brown goodness. That definitely looks and tastes great. So once the other part is also golden brown, you take it off the fire, and there we have our potato omelette. I hope you learned something great today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to bring you up to speed with all my cooking diaries, in the kitchen. Keep being awesome, and let me know how this went for you if you tried it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye.